Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have some buttermilk pancakes. Let's start by making the batter. You want 1.5 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups buttermilk, 3 tablespoons of butter that you obviously melt, and 2 eggs. And then basically you just want to beat it into a batter like this. And then also get a griddle heated up over about medium-high heat. I went with medium, but you might need to increase temperatures depending on where you live. All right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, got our griddle heated up. And you want to take a stick of butter and grease that motherfucker up real good. Okie dokie. And I didn't really measure out the pancakes, so I guess 1 small ladleful per pancake, if that makes any sense. And then you just want to griddle them until they start to get, those wonderful bits of brown on the edges of the pancake, and it's time to flip them. If I remember right, they took 2 or 3 minutes aside. And as you can see, these things are just about ready to flip. As you can see, they've kind of formed up. They've kind of gotten, a little more stable. And time to give these things a flip. Ah, beautiful. All right, then just a little bit of bit more time, couple minutes more on the other side, and these should be ready to serve. Okie dokie. As you can see, we're getting ready to serve these motherfuckers up. I decided to go with 4 pancakes for this entire thing, and of course we got some those little Jimmy Dean sausages. And that's really it. Buttermilk pancakes. Done.